enabled so that we can have real-time data of all traffic in a common room, whether it is north or south. We are still evaluating. That's why things don't happen suddenly. We are doing that much of planning. With that, the real safety will come. And my plea even today, whether it is public transport, whether it is taxis, whether it is buses, everybody should come on a digital platform, whatever the platform. I am not saying go to X or go to Y. It is high time. Otherwise, we will have more and more accidents happening. We will not have control whatsoever. And you cannot only blame the system. When we are trying to change the system, they should not resist it. We, Goa, cannot be isolated because everywhere it is the question of the whole world going digital. It is with the imprint to help the common man. सामान्य लोकां सुद्धा हेजेर असर पडटा. एक्सिडेंट सगळ्यां जाता, ताका लागून डिजिटायझेशन, टॅक्सी आसून दी, बस आसून दी, बाकी पब्लीक ट्रान्सपोर्ट आसून दी, ही आमचे डेटाय मेळटले आनी मागीर पॉयंट टू पॉयंट खूंय ट्रॅव्हलिंग चड आसता, what type of tourists come, even that information automatically will get.
But AI camera means the mirchi circle कडे घातले ते टाइप.
No, I don't say only that. We are still evaluating which is best system, then we will give. Because here there has to be a coordination between the PWD department and transport department. Very shortly we are sorting it out. And that was not my department which had done at that point of time. And that's why I want a proper system. That's why I am taking a little time. I will give you a good system. In my speech, I have said it in my speech at least. Rent a car, we have not issued any new licenses for your information since I became the transport minister. Even rent a bike we have not issued precisely because of that. Now in certain places people are operated illegally in a big way, especially rent a bike and even some rent a car. So we are reviewing the thing. I am not saying I will relent, but where it is necessary to make it make a decision where I have full data on the table, only then I will be taking. Sir, is coming. सगळीकडे जोरान काम चालू आसा. आता मान्य मुखेलमंत्र्याकडे उलयतालो, तेणी डिपार्टमेंटा इन्स्ट्रक्शन दिला. पावस आत्ताच हालींच कवर जाला, थोडे आसता मातशें पडटा, बट इट इज एज गुड एज ओवर. यू विल सी इम्प्रूवमेंट इन एंटायर गोवा एरियाज विल हैव दिस कैमरास. अरे बाबा, सी इट हैज टू बी अ होलसम डिसिजन. एकू कडेन हात लायलो म्हूण जायना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डिजिटल टॅक्सी, हांवें लास्ट टायम सांगिल्लें, डिजिटायझेशन करून टॅक्सी हाडल्यार the rates automatically come down. You have seen Goa miles is 20% lower than others. Tomorrow, if the big footprint is there, others also will lower the rates. People can have share taxi also. गांवांनी करपा जाता. गोंयचो पात्रांव मुखेलमंत्री गोंयचे टॅक्सी पात्रांव स्कीम केल्ली ताकाच लागून आज पेडणे सारखे गांवांत चडशे ते वाठारांतसून लोक आसा. हे आख्खे गोंयान करपा जाता. अल्टिमेटली ट्रान्सपोर्ट सगळ्या लागता न्हू आमकां. IIT alumni, they are giving us about 500 buses. That also is on the way. We have already moved in that direction after the cabinet decision. Special purpose vehicle has been formed for that. So things are moving. Once that comes, how to align the buses with the taxis and other modes of transport, it is a big exercise which we have to carry out. That's why I am insisting on digitization. Because how will you know which bus will go where, which taxi will go where, which area needs more concentration of buses or where common man is more effective. That digitization ani soppepon melta. That's what I said. We have done a study. We are going to put everything on the table and take a decision. As I said, it has to be also coordination with the important department like police as well as public works department also. So we will be doing it.